When Richard, 2 years old, lost his father, his mother worked hard to support him. At 17, police were looking for Richard. Today, major companies fight to hire him. What happened in between will inspire you.
At just 2 years old, Richard lost his father. While other children enjoyed carefree childhoods, Richard's journey began with heartbreak.
Richard's childhood was filled with challenges. His mother worked endlessly to support him after the loss of his father.
Richard knew everyone. From students to business owners, everyone considered him a friend. But not everyone understood his true character.
When some of his friends got into trouble, Richard's name appeared too. Innocent, his future suddenly seemed uncertain.
At 18, Richard had no choice to join the military, following the wrong crowd, or forge his own path.
The army taught him discipline, engineering, leadership, and the confidence to pursue bigger dreams.
After 15 years, Richard joined the corporate and presented most people saw technology as a tool. Richard saw it as a game changer.
While many businesses relied on traditional methods, Richard embraced artificial intelligence.
By analyzing customer behavior, predicting service needs, and automating repetitive tasks, he created smarter and more efficient operations.
Record-breaking result under Richard's leadership, customer satisfaction increased dramatically.
Revenue grew year after year, while operational costs decreased through intelligent automation and streamlined workflows.
Success built on character. Looking back, Richard realized that success was never about wealth or status. It was about choices. From hardship came strength. From challenges came wisdom. And from determination came a career that inspired thousands.
A Chinese boy who lost his father at 2 years old became a respected leader.
Your past does not determine your future. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow.
You can transform obstacles into extraordinary success.